High planners, designers, industry professionals, venue owners, people that rent venues, florists, event rentals, all the things. Listen, my name is Tori Williams with Tori Williams Events. I am your luxury event producer, and I have a great surprise for you guys. I am doing my annual it's usually a 3-day workshop, but you guys, this year I decided to do a 4-day workshop. That's right, it's coming up this summer of 2026. And let me tell you why I'm doing this workshop. Of course, like when we did it before, it was a huge success. But then I also know that it's people that wasn't able to attend the workshop. So I wanted to give everybody an opportunity to attend, and let me tell you all the things that I'm going to be teaching this year. So if you are looking to break into this industry, I'm going to help you out with that. So I'm going to teach you how to start and get ready to scale your business as well. I'll teach you everything you need to know, the step-by-steps into getting into this business. Now, if you are someone that's been in this business for a while and you're trying to figure out how to scale, how to move into the luxury market, how to book those high-end clients, or how to make those 6 figures, I'm your girl. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about scaling your business so you can make those 6 figures that you love. If you want to learn how to market and brand your business, I'm going to help you with that. If you want to learn how to plan, execute, and produce your events, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about that. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about flowers. And the one thing that everybody keep asking me is about how do I completely transform a space. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know, and not just show you how to transform a space. I'm going to tell you the resources and where I get my things. So that's a lot of the questions. Where did she get those from? And I'm going to teach you all of the things. So I'm also going to help you with resources, and I want to help you with executing and showing you how to transform a room from start to finish. Now, of course, you know when I do these events, I'm not doing them alone. I have my team. So I'm going to show you how to build a strong foundation and team for yourself so you can be successful in this industry. What's included in your investment is a welcome gift, daily breakfast and lunch. You get 4 days of training with myself and my team. I am a completely open book, and you can ask me all the things that'll help you be successful in your career. We teach you marketing, branding, and strategy. I'm going to teach you about event planning, event production, and event design. And we also help you with event venue education. A lot of people have a lot of questions about owning or starting their own venue, and I want to answer those questions for you. I'm also going to teach you about pricing for profit. That's the main key thing that people want to know about. And I'm going to teach you all the strategies and things that you need to know so you can be successful and you can make 6 figures in your business. We also help you with your contracts. I teach you everything that you need to know about contracts, timelines, all the things, just the consultation forms, everything that you need. And not only teach you, you actually get these things in your workbook that I'm going to give you. It's a hands-on experience, so you will have all the key things that you need to know. You get supplies, and we have a slew of other things that we're going to give you. On our 4th day, we also have our Black Tie Gala, where you'll receive your certificates. You can network with like-minded industry professionals, and we party, honey. We have a good time. There's drinks, there's great food, and there's great time. So if you are ready to change your life, if you are ready to earn 6 figures, if you are ready to take your business to the next level, click that link and sign up today, and I'll see you this summer.